Welcome to our channel. Bank of America makes managing your debit card convenient through their mobile app. Here's how to activate your debit card using the app with step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Bank of America mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your device. Step 2. Open the app and sign in using your online banking ID and password. If you're a new customer, you'll need to enroll first using your account information. Step 3. After logging in, navigate to the main account screen. You should see all your Bank of America accounts listed. Step 4. Tap on the checking account associated with your new debit card. This will display account details and available actions. Step 5. Look for an option labeled Manage Debit Card, Card Settings, or Activate Card within the account menu or settings. Step 6. Select Activate Card from the available options. You'll be prompted to enter specific card information. Step 7. Input the last 4 digits of your new debit card number and the card's expiration date as verification. The app may also ask for the CVV code. Step 8. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. You should receive immediate confirmation that your Bank of America debit card is active. You can now use it for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Consider setting up alerts and security features in the app for added protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.